With the seafood paella, you have to always begin with a wedge of lemon. Into the bin you go. Next, you have 500 grams of clams and 10 king prawns, all fried and baked. Pick them out with a stainless steel tongue. You will probably get some of the rice with it, but don't worry, it actually makes your job a little easier, right? Now throw them away, and all you have got left is about 2 cups of rice, which you can easily scoop out. Here comes my little secret. Put a napkin over your pan to soak up the leftover oil, a quick rinse under the tap, and aquí lo tienes. A pan as good as new.
Removing food is easier than cooking it when you have the degreasing power of 100 lemons by Sunlight.